Today is October 4th. I'm Susanna, and this is Simon Says. I would like to begin with the acknowledgement that we are teaching from Treaty 6 land. The Government of Canada signed this treaty in 1876 with the First Nations. It aims to protect treaty rights and support Indigenous self-government. Today, Treaty 6 is a home to a number of Indigenous groups. For example, the Cree, Métis, Dene, Blackfoot, or Ojibwe. When studying at University of Alberta, you will hear the land acknowledgement more frequently before big events or lectures. Recognizing that the first people were here long before us is one of the many steps that we need to take in the process of truth and reconciliation. At the Student Engagement Center last week, we had a chance to learn a little bit about the residential schools. Together, we read a book called When I Was 8. If you would like to read the story too, and you didn't have a chance to join us, please find it in the Student Center blog. By reading the book, you will take one step to learn more about the First Peoples of Canada and be part of the truth and the reconciliation process. Starting October 4th, the University of Alberta requires you to show the proof of vaccination or a negative test. So please make sure you're ready to attend any events and the classes with the proof of vaccination on your phone or with the proper documentation. Also, you need to keep up with all the changes. The schedule has changed again. During the day, you can join me every day from 1 to 2 in the workshops. Monday is dedicated to the reading circle. 135 students will read online with a volunteer. But if there are any students who want to read in person, please come to L300. We will provide you with the materials and we will have a chat about the reading. Learning critical reading skills is really important to succeed in your academic life. On Tuesday, we will have a special guest speaker from Parks Canada, and we will learn about winter activities in Canadian parks. This presentation is really popular with the students, so you will be able to find the recording in Student Center blog. Wednesday is dedicated to writing and Thursday for Conversation Club. Our volunteer Brett, who loves mountaineering and hiking, is going to do an in-person presentation about his experience hiking in the Rocky Mountains. And what about the evening students? Don't worry, we haven't forgotten about you. Even though the evening workshops are cancelled, you can watch the recordings on the Student Center blog. Also, you have the SEC online lesson available with many tasks and activities. Simply choose a couple of tasks, complete them, and that will be your Student Center participation for the week. If you would like some feedback on your recording, on your writing, or on any tasks that you have completed, simply send them to susanna@ualberta.ca. Finally, I would like to encourage you to be engaged as much as you can. Hopefully, you can get inspired by our online lesson, Travel Alberta, and by Vicky, who has made a short video of what you can do in the beautiful fall months.
Park, which is the park in the city, and with those beautiful trees. And I will share what I did over the summer in Banff and Jasper National Park in Canada.
So they are quite different between summer and winter to have fun in the parks. So for the summer, we went hiking in the mountain and swimming in a lake. And here are some views of Rocky Mountain where we stopped by. Besides, you can see people kayaking on the Lake Louise. They look so fun. And also, we met some wild animals in the mountain while we were hiking. Alberta is really wild. And you can do a lot of activity in the winter as well. For example, we went skiing, pond hockey, and dog sledding in the national parks.
Canada is an amazing and beautiful country. How about your country? Share with us on Instagram at myUAlebrta. I hope you all can come here in the future. Before then, stay safe. Bye.
If you found Vicky's video motivating, meet with your friends, go outside and explore. Maybe plan a little longer trip for when you have a longer break. For those students who are not in Edmonton yet, this might be something that you can prepare at home, and when you arrive, you can go and explore Alberta. Send me some pictures of your endeavors. I'm looking forward to seeing them, and the best ones will get some prizes. Have a great week, everyone. This was Simon Says.